The beauty industry is booming, and starting an esthetician business in the USA can be a lucrative venture. An esthetician business, where professionals offer skincare services and treatments, holds immense potential in today's wellness-focused market. With the right planning and preparation, you can tap into this flourishing industry. Whether it's offering facials, peels, or specialized skincare treatments, there's an audience waiting for your services. So, are you ready to bring beauty and wellness together in your own venture? Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to launching your esthetician business in the USA. The first step is getting the right education and training. Embarking on a journey to start an esthetician business begins with arming yourself with knowledge. In the beauty industry, having the correct qualifications and licenses is not just a formality, it's a necessity. There are a variety of esthetician programs available, each offering a unique blend of theory and hands-on training. You might find programs that focus on specific areas, like anti-aging skincare or holistic wellness. Some programs might even delve into business management, which can be an invaluable skill set for budding entrepreneurs like yourself. The key is to select a program that aligns with your business goals and vision. Are you looking to open a high-end spa or perhaps a cozy neighborhood beauty parlor? Your educational path should reflect this vision. Remember, the beauty industry is always evolving. Lifelong learning will keep you on top of your game. With the right education and training, you'll be ready to take on the world of beauty. Now that you're equipped with the necessary skills, it's time to create a solid business plan. A business plan is your guiding light in the world of entrepreneurship. It's the compass that keeps you on the right path and helps you navigate through the challenges of starting your own esthetician business. Let's delve into the key elements of a business plan. First, you have the executive summary. This is your elevator pitch, the snapshot that encapsulates your business concept, your unique selling propositions, and your plans for growth. It's brief, concise, and powerful. Next, we have the company description. This is where you get to tell your story. Describe your business, the problem it solves, and how it stands out from the competition. Remember, every business has a story, and your story could be the one that resonates with your target audience. Then comes the market analysis. This involves researching your industry, understanding your target market, and studying your competition. It's crucial to know your market inside out. What are their needs? What are their preferences? What gaps are there in the market that your business can fill? Following this, we have the organization and management structure. This outlines how your business will be run. Who are the key players? What are their roles and responsibilities? A clear structure will ensure smooth operations and effective management. Next, outline your services. As an esthetician business, this could range from facial treatments to body therapies. Detail these services, their costs, and how they meet the needs of your target market. Your marketing and sales strategy is your game plan for attracting and retaining customers. It should detail how you plan to reach your target audience, how you'll convert them into customers, and how you'll keep them coming back. Finally, we have financial projections. This is your forecast of revenue and expenses. It's a critical component that helps you plan your financial resources and measure your business's financial health. Remember, every element of your business plan should be well-researched, meticulously planned, and clearly presented. A well-crafted business plan will serve as your roadmap to success. With your business plan in hand, it's time to establish your business legally by forming an LLC. Forming an LLC, or limited liability company, is a significant step forward in your journey to start an esthetician business. Why, you ask? Well, LLCs provide the best of both worlds: the liability protection of a corporation and the tax benefits and operational flexibility of a partnership. Simply put, if your business ever faces a legal dispute, your personal assets, like your home or savings, are shielded from any potential business debts or liabilities. Now, you may be thinking, this sounds like a lot of paperwork and legal complexities. And you're not entirely wrong. Forming an LLC can indeed be a complex process if you're going it alone. But that's where Tailor Brands comes in. Tailor Brands is a reliable partner that can help streamline the process of forming an LLC for your esthetician business. They can guide you through every step of the process, ensuring that everything is done correctly and efficiently. With Tailor Brands, you can avoid the common pitfalls that can delay or derail your LLC formation. But that's not all. Once your LLC is formed, your business will need an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. This is a unique number assigned by the IRS to businesses for tax purposes. Obtaining an EIN can be another hurdle, but again, Tailor brands can make this process a breeze. They can help you apply for and obtain your EIN, letting you focus more on your passion, providing top-notch esthetician services. So, what's the bottom line? Forming an LLC can provide your business with a robust legal framework, thereby protecting you from personal liability. It can give your business a professional image, which can instill confidence in your clients and partners. And with Tailor brands, you can navigate this process with ease and confidence. Forming an LLC with Tailor brands will give your business a professional image and protect your personal assets. So let's move forward and create a solid foundation for your esthetician business. It's time to turn your passion into a thriving business. Location is key in the esthetician business. Just like in real estate, it's all about location, location, location. You see, the success of your esthetician business can hinge significantly on where you choose to set up shop. Let's delve into the factors that you should consider when choosing your ideal location. First, think about your target demographic. Are you aiming to serve young professionals, students, or perhaps a mature clientele? The location of your business should be easily accessible and appealing to your target audience. A spa in a bustling downtown might be perfect for working professionals, while a serene suburban setting could attract a more laid-back, mature clientele. Next, consider visibility. Your business should be in a location that's easy to spot and convenient to reach. A hidden gem might sound romantic, but it's not so ideal if potential clients can't find you. Look for locations with good foot traffic or significant passers-by. Thirdly, consider your competition. While a little competition can be healthy, setting up shop right next door to another esthetician might split your potential client base. Do your research and choose a location that sets you apart. And finally, let's not forget about cost. The perfect location might not be so perfect if it's out of your budget. Remember, starting a business is a marathon, not a sprint. It's essential to balance your ideal location with what's financially feasible. Choosing the right location can make or break your business. It's a big decision, but with careful consideration and strategic thinking, you can find the perfect spot for your esthetician business. Now that you have your location, it's time to attract clients. To do this, you'll need a strong marketing strategy that includes social media marketing, search engine optimization, partnerships, and referral programs. First, let's talk about social media marketing. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching potential clients. It allows for direct interaction with your audience, making it an excellent platform for showcasing your services and sharing valuable content. Create engaging posts that reflect your brand identity and promote your services. Remember to be consistent and engaging, as this will help you build a strong online presence. Next, consider search engine optimization, or SEO. This involves optimizing your website to appear higher in search engine results, increasing your visibility to potential clients. With relevant keywords and high-quality content, you can attract people who are actively searching for esthetician services. But it's not all about online advertising. Forming partnerships with related businesses can also be beneficial. For example, collaborate with local spas or beauty salons to offer exclusive packages. This not only expands your client base, but also allows for cross-promotion, providing mutual benefits. Additionally, referral programs are a fantastic way to encourage word-of-mouth marketing. Offering discounts or other incentives to clients who refer others to your business can motivate them to spread the word about your services. This helps to build a community of loyal clients who will continue to support your business. However, all these strategies are underpinned by one crucial factor: your brand identity. Your brand is your promise to your customer, and it reflects your business values, services, and personality. It's what sets you apart from your competitors and what will attract clients to your business. So invest time and effort in creating a strong, compelling brand identity. Remember, marketing is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. It requires constant refinement and adaptation to the changing market conditions and customer preferences. So, keep experimenting with different strategies, measure their effectiveness, and adjust accordingly. Effective marketing will help you attract and retain clients. So get out there, promote your business, and start making your mark in the esthetician industry. You've got this. Starting an esthetician business in the USA involves careful planning and execution. We've journeyed together through the essential steps needed to transform your dream into reality. We delved into the importance of gaining the right education, a crucial foundation that equips you with the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in this field. We then explored the creation of a comprehensive business plan, an invaluable blueprint guiding your venture from conception to fruition. Following this, we navigated the process of forming an LLC with Tailor brands, a critical step in ensuring the legal protection of your business. Next, we touched upon the significance of finding the right location, a factor that greatly influences your business's visibility and accessibility. Lastly, we dived into marketing strategies that can propel your business to new heights, enhancing your brand's recognition and expanding your client base. With determination and the right approach, you can establish a successful esthetician business in the USA.